Are you ready to transform your driving experience? Let's check out some must have Amazon car accessories. Keto makes car access easier and more convenient without compromising security by utilizing your smartphone as your key. Keto provides all the functions currently available on your car key without the need to carry or find your key every time. Bluetooth communication between Keto H/W and the smartphone app is protected by a highly engineered encryption algorithm currently employed on the latest and most secure cloud platforms such as Google and Amazon. Nobody is the perfect driver, but thankfully there is TrapTap to help us all be better. TrapTap is a simple wireless button that attaches to your dashboard and warns you of speed traps, red light cameras, and school zones by flashing different colors. This completely legal device is tuned into every red light camera and school zone, changing color to let you know to be heads up. TrapTap will update in real time when a police or radar speed trap has been set up nearby so you can avoid the ticket. The Michelin Optis unique puncture-proof tire system is an airless mobility solution for passenger vehicles, which reduces the risk of flat tires and other air loss failures that result from punctures or road hazards. Airless technology enables Optis to reduce the risk of flat tires and other air loss failures that result from punctures or road hazards. The CarAid Multi-Tool 3X is an all-in-one gadget that will jump-start your car with no jumper cables or second car needed. Plus, it will also charge your phone and laptop, cut a safety belt, break a car window in case of emergency, and scare away an attacker. This multi-tool includes a flashlight and emergency SOS flasher, burglar alarm, and a built-in compass/thermometer in case you find yourself broken down at night. The CarAid Multi-Tool 3X works with any car, boat, motorcycle or ATV that uses a 12V battery. The Drive Reach by WeBoost is our most powerful multi-device, in-vehicle cell signal booster. It's designed for use with all cars, trucks, and SUVs. With 74% farther range than the WeBoost Drive X, the WeBoost Drive Reach signal booster offers fewer dropped calls, better voice quality, faster mobile internet, improved audio and video streaming, and greater hotspot capability even in the most remote areas. With multi-user functionality, every passenger can enjoy stronger cell signal from Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, US Cellular and all wireless networks. Hotway Drive is a portable head-up display for everyday commute. Keeps you connected in a less distracting way. Directions, calls, notifications, or music info brought to HUD over Bluetooth while your phone stays in your pocket. Works with your favorite apps, Google Maps, Waze, or any other app you want to use behind the wheel. When connected to the OBD2 scanner, it receives vehicle data and displays in on head-up display. This allows for fetching voltage, speed, RPM, fuel consumption and level, and quite a number of other parameters. The doorstep is universal to all vehicles and works in both the front and rear doors. Simply hook the step over one of the vehicle's U-shaped door latches. Use it to load and strap down car-top cargo bags and boxes, canoes, kayaks, and SUVs, skis and snowboards, and bikes. The multi-door step provides a comfortable platform for both feet and allows for a balanced standing position. The patented step eliminates dirty shoes on vehicle seats and the need for step stools or ladders. The Scan Tool is a medium and high-end product independently developed by Launch. It inherits many advantages of X431 Pro Series, such as wide vehicle coverage, strong diagnostic functions and accurate test data. In addition, it supports extension module, endoscope and anti-theft key matching. Intelligent diagnosis technology, which integrates the application advantages of mobile internet, is the first in the industry. It can automatically identify vehicle information and complete rapid diagnosis. All the germs you touch, you transfer to your phone. Because we store our phones in dark, warm places that bacteria breeds and grows on our phones. It is like a petri dish in your pocket. While we know it is important to wash our hands to stay healthy, we never wash the one thing we touch the most, our phones. It has become the third hand we never wash. To stay healthy, we must keep our hands and phones germ-free. On average, a cell phone is 18x dirtier than a public restroom. Most vehicles run on tubeless tires these days. Regardless of thickness or pre-sealant additives, they're all vulnerable to being punctured. Now you can experience the skill of a professional's hand and the thrill of saving time and money. Your tires can now be easily plugged on or off the wheel with this new shop-style tool called the tire plugger. The gun is a spring-loaded device that drives the plug into the hole. The shaft of the plug expands under pressure to fill the puncture. Fixing a roadside emergency flat tire can be a drag. Not only is it a dangerous job, it also takes time to change a flat tire. At least, until now. With the Slime Digital Flat Tire Repair Kit, you will be up and back on the road in just 8 minutes. Slime simplified the traditional tire repair kit into 4 simple steps. It is that easy. Just plug the power connector into your 12-volt car accessory outlet and screw on the air hose, then push the button.